song of healing. Traditionally, yeah, yeah. Give me the song of prayer. Give me the song of healing, like my ancestors did. Traditionally, higher loneliness, the script never changed. The same mental stress, the ones that been